pancakes, but with cheese. We will be making pancakes with cheese because we can't have nice things here. First of all, do not mind the sound effect. I have got egg. This is where we will be putting it. Fuck. It cracked too early. Yeah, I have just added the first ingredient, it's already gone tits up. Fuck's sakes. We have got egg in here. We need milk. Wait a minute to see how much. Time to dramatically fill in the milk. Okay, I've got milk. And now comes the difficult part. Flour. Because I never know how much flour to add to the shit. I always add way too much. Oh, just not enough. It's never right. So this will be a complete guess how much I need to add. Right. So we have got the basic mixture down. Now this would be a normal pancake, but this is way too nice. We can't have nice things on this channel. So we are now gonna use the special ingredient, cheese, Gouda from not Merker, Spar. Merker doesn't exist anymore. The question is, how much cheese do we use? Do we use one slice? Do we use two slices? No, we're gonna use one slice. This isn't worth two slices. Right, so we obviously can't just drop in the cheese because that wouldn't quite work. It's just like a piece of cheese in the mixture. So what I've got here is a hammer, which I'm gonna use to make this cheese fucking powder. First of all, I'm gonna cut it with a knife, this knife right here. But then I'm gonna use my fucking hammer and I'm gonna fucking beat the shit out of the cheese on camera. Right, so we got the cheese all sliced up. Wait, I need to hold it perfectly so it doesn't fucking drop. It's sliced up. So we've got that down. Now I've got my hammer right here, which I'm going to use to fucking beat the shit out of the cheese, as I told you earlier. Let's see if this phone actually can record it somehow. Good. You won't be able to see my face, but you will see me fucking beat up this cheese right now. Doesn't quite work. Hello. I have just kneeled down. Yes, I am in fact a giant. Time to add the secret ingredient. This is like the Krabby Patty, the secret ingredient. I shit you not, Nick just sent me a message on Discord. It's just writing shit moment, and I have no idea what to make about that. As I'm adding cheese to my pancake mixture. Right, I have got Mr. Audio Quality right here. That's gonna be fun as well. Mixture seems to be done, actually. It actually doesn't look that bad. I'm quite surprised. But is it gonna taste even remotely good? I don't think so. It's time to make the fucking pancakes now. Now we're getting to the real shit. I'm gonna do a taste test afterwards, by the way. Where have I gone wrong in life? How have I ended up making cheese pancakes? By the way, I'm doing this while outside it is 35 fucking degrees. Basically, it's fucking not Fahrenheit, Celsius. In Vienna it's fucking burning and I'm fucking cooking pancakes. Do you realize that this sounds kind of like a death wish right now? I'm gonna have some kind of heat stroke, like. I'm gonna lay in bed all day or something. Fuck. You know what? I'm not gonna add more milk. We're gonna have thick pancakes. Thick pancakes. Let me just show you guys this. Thick pancake. It even has the shape of a heart, which is lovely. But it's like half a centimeter thick. No, not half a centimeter, it's too big. Like 3 millimeters. Like, that's thick for pancakes I usually make. My pancakes usually are like 1 millimeter thick, if that. Oh my fucking god, that actually looks so good. I have fucking done that at the just switch that camera. Holy shit, that looks fucking tasty. Like, holy shit, I've never done it that perfectly. It looks like a fucking image. Have you just become a fucking master of fucking pancakes? This happened again, it looks great again. What is this? I'm making this to fucking not have nice fix on this channel. They look like fucking image photos. Like Google stock photos. What the fuck is this? I might be the first person to complain that something is nice, but what the fuck, man? I'm trying to be shit, but I'm becoming good. What? Living life on the edge. To the fucking taste test. I'm gonna do 3 tests probably. One of them being just the pancake itself. One of them being the pancake with more cheese on top of the pancake. And one of them being the no, I can't show the third finger. One of them being the pancake with Nutella. Pancake seems to have cooled by now. So this is probably the worst pancake out of them all. You can definitely smell the cheese a bit. Yeah, I can taste the cheese. It tastes as disgusting as I thought it would. Luckily, it's very little. I really should have added like... I think I said it before, but I really should have added more slices of cheese. It's gonna be interesting, because the next pancake I gotta eat with cheese. I'm gonna roll that one up as well, so let's see if that makes a difference. Insane transition time. Right. Take incredible transition. I have added 2 slices of cheese into this pancake. I'm gonna try to roll it up. I tried it before, but it didn't quite work. Oh, now it works. I'm stupid. Holy shit, that's still warm. Let's see how the cheese pancake with extra cheese tastes. I have just scratched that cheese. And my mouth is already filled with disgust. If you let it sit longer in your mouth, it tastes like bread with cheese. Like if you put bread with cheese in your oven, it tastes like that. But my motivation to eat this piece of shit. We have got insane chocolate pancake now with cheese. There's no cheese on top this time. Luckily, wait. There's no cheese on top this time. Luckily. But there's still cheese on the inside. Most likely. God, why is every single thing still so hot? Like, holy shit, just cool down. It's been about 10 minutes by now. The Nutella is completely drowning out the cheese taste. Completely. No, I do not smoke. It feels so fucking good. The more annoying part about this is, quite frankly, the fucking sheer size of the fucking pancake being thick as fuck. Just an honest review of the pancakes. Number 1, there's way too less cheese. I should have added more cheese. It's noticeable, but not to the degree I actually wanted it. Then second, it tastes not as good as I thought it would. In this case, I'm glad I didn't add more cheese because like I probably would have vomited on the spot. 3, I'm surprised how well it fucking mixed with the mixture. It looked like one thing, to be fair, so I was really surprised by that. 4, I was the pancake master for about 5 seconds. Yeah. And number 5, don't do this. It's not worth the time. It really isn't. Overall, it's not the worst thing, but maybe that's just because I didn't add enough cheese, so 3 out of 10 maybe. Maybe even less, 2 out of 10. This just doesn't work. It either tastes like Nutella because it fucking drowns out the entire taste, which is also bad to be fair, but like in the other way, or it just tastes like fucking shit in it. 3 out of 10. I have definitely eaten worse, but like it's just not good. But yeah, guys, thank you for watching. I will see you whenever I've got time again. Whenever the next time maybe. Goodbye.